Okay, lutuin natin yung rice. Eto na po ang inyong salmon. Pero anong ginagawa mo sa store? Paano mag-interact? Ayan, ayan. Kailangan ba ng ano? Sensei really came through for me by giving me the chance to help him out at his restaurant. Okay, nandito na tayo. Ano tong jump scare? Ba't may one? Okay, nandito na tayo. Kailangan natin mag-clock in. Okay. This is a nice... Ah, wait. Dito. To. Sinister Sushi is the title, guys. Let's go. Hello? Anybody in here? So, saan ako magka-clock in? May coins. Dito ba? Hello? Uy! May tao. I-clock in. Nice. Hi, boss. Talk to the sensei. Ah, welcome. My young apprentice. You're doing great, just like your sensei. As the night sets in, the real side of the sushi world starts to show. It's a tough one, but don't worry, because a real warrior has to be ready to take on whatever challenge come their way. Ooh, now, let's make some dishes that will make even the pickiest eaters excited and delighted. Wait for a customer, okay? Babaan natin yung ano. Oh, grab our... Okay, may bayad pala yung flashlight. Bakit? Magkano? Wow, ang mahal, boy. $269 for a flashlight. Uy, ano yung tinalunan ko? One time jump scare everyone. Shucks, ito kaya magkano? $269. Hi, boss. Wow, ang tangkad mo, boss. Interact. Welcome to our little sushi restaurant. How can I help you today? Dapat ang tanong, ano po ang order nyo? Salmon sounds pretty. Could you make sure there are no scales in it? Oh, sure. Old man, no worries. Your total will be $2.49. Pick up the cash. Where is it? Okay. Grab the cash. Alright. Put the cash in the register. Where is the register? Okay. Nice. Laki naman ng ating cash. Get a plate? Is this the plate? Okay. Makatakot naman yung ano. Put it in front of the customer. Wah! Tinalunan lang natin yun. 2 plate. Okay. Get a bowl for the old man. Where's the bowl? Bro, tabi ka. Hindi ko makuha yung bowl. Bowl. Pwede bang umasdog ka dyan, boy? Hindi ko makuha. Ah, yun, nakakuha na ako. Get the rice from the storage. Okay. Boss, sayang mo ko yung rice. Boss, ano yun ah? Okay, so, employee of the month. No. Oh, baka kailangan hawak ko yung bowl, tapos rice. Ayun. Okay, cook up the rice. Nice. Okay. Kailangan pala i-ready yung item. Put it in front of the old man. And then, get salmon. Marami salmon. Okay. Put it in front of the old man. Bah, fresh na fresh. Eto na po ang inyong salmon. Tapos, kayo na babahala dyan. Oh, sino ba yung naglalakad-lakad? Thank you. The service was 5 stars. Have a good night. Oh, ayun na yun. Ano ba yun? Kinain mo ba? Oh, take out. Enjoy. Thank you. Kinain niya ba o tinake out niya? Okay, waiting for the next customers. Ano to? Oh, may miming. What is that sound? Boomerang RPG. Ang dami namang items dito. It's coming from behind the store. Check what the sound is behind the store. Oh sure, ang layo naman yan boy. Saan ako dadaan? Sige lang. Okay, running. Ah, may CR pala dito. Wait lang. Hello? Bawal naman ako pumasok. Wait, wala ba tayong flashlight? Hi! A cat? Poor thing. He seems hungry. Kainin natin yung cat. Get a bowl for the cat. Oh, sure. Para sa'yo, Ming-Ming. Pakakainin kita. Nang libre lang. Di kita sisingilin. Ganyan ako kabait. Jump. Okay. Oh, wow. Bowl? Bakit kailangan ilagay ko sa paisa-isa? Wala ba dito? Hindi, wala ba dito? Pwede, bawal ba? Ay, bawal? Ay, pwede. Bawal? Bawal. Okay. The ambience is ambiencing. Okay, kaya natin yan. Wait lang. Ming, ang dilim naman, Ming. Point bowl. Okay, now let's get him some salmon. Okay. Bah, dapat di makita ni bossing kasi papabayad nila sa atin yan. Let's go. Yes. Yan ang tinatawag na takbo. Kailangan simple lang. Hop. Hindi nyo nakita yun. Hindi nyo nakita. Ming, ito na Ming. Napaka social mo naman, Ming. Nakasamon ka pa. Wala na siya. Wala na si Miming. Ito, pwede ba tayo dito? Oh! Okay! Nice! Meron naman pala dito eh. Wait lang. Wait tayo, gantay tayo ng customer. Kain muna kayo. Mukhang nagugutom na kayo eh. Oh, nag-skateboard to. Angas. Angas maglakad. Ay, may customer tayo. Yes po, ano po ang order nyo, madam? Welcome to Sinister Sushi. What can I whip up for you today? Oh, hello there. What's the most basic thing on the menu that won't make me regret it later? Well, we have our infamous tekamaki. I don't think you will regret. I trust you. Let me try it. Okay. So, one tekamaki will be $4.49. Tekamaki. Pick up the cash and put it in the cash register. And then get a plate. Wait. Let's go. Where's the plate? Ito. Meron na ba? Ayaw, meron na pala. Ano ba? Here. Okay. Next. Bowl. Bowl ba? Bowl. Nakalimutan ko na, nabobo na ako. Get rice from the storage. Okay. Wait. Ayan. Okay. Lutuin natin to. Okay. Okay. Ano pang next? Teka maki. Get maki. Where's the maki? Oh? Ah, nasa ref. Oh, so sa customer siya, ina-assemble. Yes. Okay na ba? Sushi. Okay na, madam. Tangkad mo naman. Ang tangkad nyo. Thanks. This place is nice. I appreciate your kindness. Okay na ba? Okay, 2 down. Habang wala pa, abangan na natin sila. Uy. Pwede ba masagasaan dito? May calling. Check TV for any news. Okay, where's the TV? Where is the TV? Ito ba yun? Ayun. Ito yata. Ay, hindi. Aquarium to. Buksan yung ano natin. Ay, ito pala. Ano kaya ang balita? In a surprising turn of events, people were shocked to wake up and find out that their local town coffee shop had been broken into overnight. The crime occurred at approximately 1 a.m. when most households would have been quiet and still under the cover of darkness. According to some witnesses, the robber looks like a street creep. That's all for tonight news. Thank you. Okay, are we expecting tawag dito, magnanakaw? Wait lang, robbery. Yes, magnanakaw. I know that place. It's a few streets from here. Hope he's not coming here. Okay, I see. Anong gagawin natin pagka napachempo siya dito? Wala ba tayong weapon? May weapon tayo pero kailangan natin gumastos. Well, anyways, di naman siguro natin kailangan gumastos, no? I guess we can defend ourselves naman kahit wala tayong weapon, hopefully. Okay. Okay. Ayo. I like okay, may tao. I like the fact na pwedeng lumabas-labas, no, habang nagtitinda. Oh! Yo! This is the third time na nakita kita, or second time with other games. You really look familiar. Hey, I heard this sushi place is good. Is that true? Of course. I don't know what to order though. Don't worry. I will surprise you with our specialty. The tamago nigiri. Sure, I'll give it a try. I like trying new things. Then it will be $4.49. Okay. So far, wala pang jump scares na guys. Get a plate. I don't know if it's good na wala pang jump scare. Kayo ba? Ano ba masasabi nyo? Mas okay ba sa inyo yung walang jump scare? Konti ang jump scare? Get a bowl. Okay. Let's go. Alright, get the rice from the storage. Okay, lutuin natin yung rice. And wait lang pa, bossing. Malapit na to. Malapit na. Okay, ito na po yung inyong rice. And then what else? Alam ko yung onigiri, parang bubuuhin yun ah. Get maki. Kala ko ba onigiri? Place it in front of big bun. Okay, interact. Oh, sorry. Here it is, dig up. Kaya na po, thanks. So, yun lang yun. Dito nila kinakain. People come inside, uupo lang sila dito. Tapos, ayun. Oh, tapos na yung shift natin. So, I like that, no? Clock out. Go, let's go. Pero saan tayo umuwi? Saan tayo umuwi? Talk to Sensei. Sensei, our actions can make a significant impact. Even something as simple as ensure rid the floor of any impurities. Parang AI. Oh, okay. Kanina wala naman to ah. Anyways, we have no choice but to clean. Ang dami naman. Grabe na. Ano to? Nagkalat pa to si Sensei? Broom. Let's broom that. May broom pero wala naman dustpan. Saan natin dinala yung basura? Huh. That's pretty weird. Go down. Baka may ano dito ah. Pwede naman pala tayo nakatingala. Bawal ba tumingala? Ay, pwede naman. Wag lang sobrang tingala. Baka may magnanakaw. Di ba pwede isara muna natin yung store bago tayo maglinis? Para naman na safe tayo. Try nga natin isara. Close. Okay. Baka pwedeng ilock. Wait lang. Okay. Bawal tumingala ng sobra. Kasi mawawala yung ito sa loob. Wait. I don't feel comfortable na naglilinis na yoko. Na hindi ko nakikita yung labas. Okay, ilan na lang. Last. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, wala pang jump scares so far. Pero yung ambience nakakatakot, no? Who's that at the window? Uy! Damn! Uy, ko ba yung magnanakaw? Oh! Freaking... Okay. Okay. So you're the one. Are you a killer? Kasi duguan ka. Who's that? Bakit? Okay, no, I'm not gonna let you in. Hindi ako tanga. Boss! Boss! Kalaban. Kalaban nyo nandun. Ano gagawin natin, boss? Wala ba tayo weapon? Boss, mag-react ka naman. Ba't di ka nag-react? So is this... Look at you. We have weapons, pero wala tayong pera. You know, for 269 pesos, wala tayong pera. Wala bang mas mura na like stick? Tong RPG, magkano to? Shucks. So if I were to choose, Pipiliin ko siguro yung gun kasi magaan tapos madaling gamitin. I guess ito medyo mabigat eh. Tapos, ewan ko, ano gagawin natin? Eh, di ba magsasara na? How about ikutan natin siya? Katayin kaya niya tayo. Nag-lockout na ako eh. Pwede bang umalis na? Oo na. Tingnan natin dito. Baka patayin niya tayo. Yo. Yo. I'm outside. Yo. Interact. Yo. Yo, anong ginagawa mo sa store? Baka panatan tayo. Pero sige. Interact tayo. Paano mag-interact? Ayan, ayan. Visit ka. Ano to? Pinatay niya ba tayo? I don't meet creepy guys, but that was something. Maybe it was a nice cosplay. Anong cosplay? It's time to go home now. Nawalang bigla, ayop. So, sa tagasan tayo? Taga dito lang tayo sa malapit? Ah, hindi. May sasakyan nga pala tayo. So, ang layo, taga malayo pa tayo. Okay, night 2 everyone. Congrats sa first night. The first night was very good. There weren't any difficulties with our customers. Okay, this is the second night. Ano na namang kawirdoan ang makikita natin? The news though. Considering my luck, I sense some danger. I need to clear my mind and Sensei after the ship. Hello po, Sensei. Mag-lock in lang ako. Basta ka na. Dito ka ba natutulog, Sensei? Ah, my dedicated apprentice. Tonight marks the end of your journey here at Sensei Sushi Restaurant. Ay, ganon? Remember, it is not just about serving delicious sushi. It is also about understanding and respecting our traditions. Now go. There is still work to be done. Ganon? 2 days lang ako dito? Check the stocks on rice. Check natin stocks, baka kasi. Uh-oh. We're out of rice. That's not good. Let's ask Sensei about the rice. Yo, Sensei, saan po ba nagre-restock ng rice? Sensei, it looks like we're out of rice. Worry not, young one. In every crisis lies an opportunity. Now go fetch me my trusty truck. It has been patiently waiting for such an adventure. Ang lalim mo talaga, Sensei. Start the truck. Where is the truck? Sa likod. I see. Okay. Okay, baka may manggulat ha. 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Wala. Okay. Ang dilim naman talaga. Huh? Whoa. Did Sensei forget to fuel the truck? Sensei, wala tang ano to eh. Wala tang gas. Wala bang gas? Fear not, as you may have to walk to the store. Okay? Bibili tayo? Where is the store? Where is the store? Siguro naman malapit lang yung store dito, no? Oh, kala ko may something. Baka masagasaan tayo. Wait. Hindi rin naman. Yo! Ah, there's some rice. Ah, okay. Ito ba yun? Hindi. Hi, boss. May rice ka? Ah, ito. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. $20.99, mura naman ang rice. Pay the cashier. Thanks for shopping with us tonight. Okay na ba? Pwede na ba ako umalis? Okay. So, hindi na natin kakailanganin yung gas? Ay, yung truck? Ha? Ha? Run! Fucking bitch, why are you? Ha? Whoa. Pasok. Ba, ang hilig mo naman manakot. Ah, kinulat mo ako dun ah. Okay, place. So, mahilig siyang manghabol. Wait for customer.
Grabe. Mahilig mo na ako titukmol.
Hello? Okay, parang ayaw ko na tuloy lumabas. Ayop.
Ayun, may tao.
Okay, mukhang may customer tayo. Kuha tayo ng tray, siguro. Ay, bawal mag-advance. Hello po, ano pong order nyo? Okay, this man is, baka ano to, mga free assets siguro to. Kaya familiar sila. Wow, this place smells amazing. Hit me up with your best roll. Welcome. You will have the best sushi roll in your life. Your sushi roll will be $4.49. Bigyan natin sa register and then get a plate. Sure, plate lang pala eh. Okay, put it in front of the customer. Ito na po yung plate nyo. And then sorry. Bowl for the gentleman. Let's have a bowl. And then let's get rice para maluto na natin yan. Okay, and cooking. 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's bigyan na natin sa gentleman. And here it is. And then, ano pa yung roll? Maki. Let's get the maki. Sarap naman ang mga order natin. Bigyan natin sa tao. Okay. Okay, yan na po, bossing. Sana nagustuhan mo. Ano bang masasabi mo? Thank you. This place feels nice. Maybe I'll visit again. Sure. Daan lang po kayo. Lagi kayong anytime. Okay. I see. So, mayroong isang nananako tapos mayroong naganap na nakawan dito sa area natin. Sensei, ano yun? There is somewhere that requires my attention elsewhere shortly. Lalabas ka? Okay. Remember the techniques we've practiced together. Attention to details and customer services are the key. Oh, sure. Sige po. Mapagkakatiwalaan niyo ako. Babantayan ko yung store at magsaserve ako ng magandang service sa amin. Customers. Shouldn't take longer an hour or two at most. And then if any issues arise that are beyond your expertise, ano na? Hindi ko nabasa. Nabasa lahat. Agad na wala. Malis na ba siya? Nandiyan ka pa naman, Sensei. Kala ko aalis ka. Okay, dito tayo maggabang. Medyo naiinip ang tendero nyo. Ayan. Ang bilis naman ng lakad. Yo! Hello po! Okay. Hi! Ano pong order nila? I'll just have a tamago onigiri with just enough rice. Tamago onigiri coming right up. Your total will be $3.99. Okay. Get a plate. Let's go. Okay po, alam ka na. Gets ka na, memorize ka na. Okay, bowl. Let's get a bowl. And then, let's get a rice. And then, let's cook the rice. And 3, 2, 1. Alright, lagyan na natin sa ating customer. Ito na po ang inyong rice. And then, let's get what? Maki. So, mabili ang maki Put it in front of the grandpa. Grandpa, ito na yung maki. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Wow, it looks good. Thanks. Bye-bye. Balik po kayo. Tingnan natin. Uy, masagasaan kayo. Mag-ingat kayo, lolo. Okay, so taga doon lang siya. Oh, my shift has ended. Okay, let's go. Let's clock out. We sit. What was that noise outside? It sounded like a car crash. Better check it out. Bakit bigla-biglang nalitaw yun? Oh, damn! What? Anong ginawa mo, boy? My God. So, it's settled then. It's confirmed na masamang tao to. Masamang nilalang, masamang... Damn, anong... Di ba dapat tatawag tayo ng doktor o bombero o kung ano man? What was that outside? Fuck. Kailangan ba talaga? Okay. Bakit? Sensei, pwede ba isumbong ko na lang sa'yo? Sensei, habang nandiyan ka pa. Yo! Ayaw pa istorbo. So, kailangan talaga natin i-check, no? Okay, i-check natin, guys. 3 seconds. 3 seconds, ne? 1, 2, 3. Hey there, kid. You want some free rice? The fuck? I have many rice. Get in my truck and I can give you some. No. What have you done to these people? Your sensei's been telling you lies, kid. Anong lies? All you are is just a nobody, huh? So what? You have 30 seconds. What? I'm calling 911. Bitch. Okay, call 911. Please. Call it. 911, what's your emergency? There's a guy in a red shirt. He caused a car accident. What do I do? So, that's the guy from the news I'm hearing. What? We will be dispatching officers to your location. Please tell us where and... Dang! Are you serious? The power just went out. Wala pa naman tayong flashlight. This is not good. Sensei, I have to go try to fix the power box. Syempre, nandun siya sa likod para takutin tayo. Where's the power? Oh, si Sensei, wala pa naman siya. Baka nandito siya, guys. So, okay. Oh my goodness. Mandilim. Oh. So, how do we fix that? Pag nandun siya, we will run. Okay? 3 seconds. 1, 2. Yo. Hello? Okay, wala. Uh-oh. It looks really damaged. This is repairable. Sensei is gone. What do I do? Hide in the bathroom. Let's hide in the bathroom. Oh! You were caught by the creep. He had no mercy for you. Wait, Sensei struck. There's some fuel in the back of the store. Nahuli tayo. Well, kung nagustuhan nyo yun guys, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe para sa aking more horror games. And yun lang muna sa araw na to. At kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video.